Hey guys, in this video, we are going to go over how to watch CBS Sports on Paramount Plus. Okay, so to watch CBS Sports on Paramount Plus, you will need the Paramount Plus with a Showtime plan. Okay, and this includes access to your local live CBS station, and then just navigate to live TV. Okay, or the Sports Hub to find the events. Really that easy and simple, okay? So get the plan and then go ahead and select a live TV from the menu. And you can also visit the Sports Hub section on the app, right? Scroll down to the live and upcoming. And when it comes to, live sports on CBS, especially for example the NFL on CBS, you just keep in mind that you'll only be able to stream games, match their events that are broadcast in your local CBS market or your local CBS station. Okay? It's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided a value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.